There was static in the afternoon, heat rising off the road. White towers climb the endless blue, with thunder folded close. Far off, the rain was falling down, a silver curtain in the light. I stood beneath the open air, and all the noise grew small. Above the rain, the clouds were burning bright. Building higher than the ache inside. I could see the storm, but not feel it yet. Just a shadow moving through the light. I was not beneath the weather. I was somewhere between the light and rain. Wore softer gray, like you knew what not to say. The wind moved slowly through the trees and left a little room to breathe. Above the rain, the clouds were burning bright. Building higher than the ache inside. I could see the storm, but not feel it yet. Just a shadow moving through the light. I was not beneath the weather. I was somewhere between the light and rain. Let it find me still, with my eyes up. I will know the rain can pass. Above the rain, the clouds were burning